Hello everyone, it's from Fun Game Reviews again. So just coming back to you, and I just wanted to show you guys that I recently got Chiron. I got his pretty great. Divine Flame of War recovers 30% HP for the Chiron and then clones itself with 100% and 100% attack. That's almost like having two Chirons. That's freaking great. Alright? And then on top of that, he runs around with a sacrificial ring buff that basically buffs everyone that's standing within that raid. So everyone that's standing in there, when you stack everybody, huge buff for everybody. It's ridiculous. Alright, see how. Let's go into this guy. So first, you learned is you launch it on top of the new gets this buff. Look at this buff. It just makes every single unit you have so much stronger. They're just gonna plow through this. Amazing. Amazing. You guys who don't have Chiron upgraded yet, I really do recommend getting him upgraded as soon as possible. Just look at the power. Look at that power. Just plow. I love it. My biz demon is dying. Will he survive? Will he need to be resurrected? We will see. Doesn't look like it. I think I'm in the clear, guys. But if you guys saw that, I went face on with all of them at the same time. And we just plowed right through. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is my quick review of Chiron and how to use it. Thank you very much. Hope you like, subscribe down below.